Connect and visualize the information your organization needs using the Data Connect capability in Adobe Workfront. Data Connect augments the powerful, intuitive reporting of Workfront with sophisticated data analysis, such as getting Workfront data into specialized BI and analytics tools. The advanced data connection capabilities of Workfront keep your raw data easily accessible, so you can use it directly with business analysis tools or export it to external data warehouses, all without needing complex API solutions. Connect your business intelligence tools such as Tableau, Power BI, Domo, or Looker directly to the Workfront Data Connect. Now you can create data visualizations like low latency or current state data views. You can change event records for point-in-time comparison. You can also get daily historic snapshots for regular trend analysis. Workfront's Data Connect transfers and transforms your data automatically, making Workfront an even more powerful source of truth for work data within your organization.